Hi everyone, welcome to the 31st episode of the Logo Files Lounge. In this episode, we are going to discuss TikTok ads. I am Saket, the founder of ECT, and the Logo Files Lounge is a weekly video series dedicated to content writing and digital marketing. I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest update and get a lot of free knowledge about content writing, digital marketing, communication skills, and personality development. So now let's discuss TikTok ads. So TikTok is a social media app that all of us know. Some people love it, some people hate it, but nobody can ignore that. 40% of TikTok users are teenagers. They are anything between 16 to 24 years old. And the TikTok app is one of the most downloaded apps in the recent months in India and worldwide. Right? You have seen the stories about TikTok ads and its creators, success of its creators, and also some unfortunate accidents that happen because of teenagers trying to create videos for TikTok. So we will focus our episode today on TikTok ads, especially for brands. Now, if you want to advertise on TikTok, so you should know few things. The first thing is TikTok is quite expensive. Right? So you need a minimum of 2,000 rupees per day to start your campaign on TikTok. That means in digital marketing, we say that you should run a campaign for at least 30 days to check effectiveness of the campaign. Now, if you run a campaign for 30 days, you need to have a budget of at least 60,000 rupees to check whether TikTok campaign is working for your business or not. So do remember that it's not like Facebook or Google where you can start a campaign in just 75 rupees a day and check whether you are getting some likes, clicks, visits or not. It is not going to happen on TikToks. And of course, there is a reason why it is so expensive. On TikTok, you will hardly see many ads today. So the marketplace is not yet penetrated. And since the marketplace is not crowded, your ads will get noticed, it will get maximum exposure. Also, TikTok as an ad, this short video platform, it gets a lot of engagement that has a much higher engagement as compared to Facebook or Instagram, and therefore the ads are quite expensive. Also, to deliver results to its initial clients and brands, TikTok had set a minimum threshold that you should spend this much to see whether to reach a sizable audience and create an impact through advertising. Now, if you have the budget and if your brand resonates with the audience who is there on TikTok, you should try TikTok ads to boost your business, because the network has a huge potential and it has a lot of engaged user base. Alright, so now let's see the basics of TikTok ad campaign and the easiest and the best way to manage your TikTok campaign to deliver the best results. If you look at campaign structure of TikTok ad, then you will find that campaign structure of TikTok ad is quite similar to that of Google and Facebook ads. So it has the same features, like a campaign is divided into various ad groups, and then further each ad group is divided into various ads or various creatives. So this is how the entire campaign structure of TikTok is. If you have worked on Facebook and or Google ads, you will find this structure quite familiar. It seems that TikTok has taken the best of both Facebook and Google ads and has created one of the best or most simple ad platform where anyone can get started, and you will feel very comfortable creating campaign on TikTok ads platform. To create a new campaign, you have to visit ads.tiktok.com, and then here you will find I have taken a special URL. You will find here that they are giving you 2,000 rupee ad credit. But do note that since I have an ad account, so it will now lead to the ad account. But do note that TikTok ad account, they are offering 2000 rupees coupon. But the point is that minimum you should spend 2000 rupees per day. That is, you have to spend around 60,000 rupees to consume that 2000 ad coupon. So be aware of this fact before you go ahead and get that coupon or get started only for that TikTok coupon, right? So now I have two accounts here, ad accounts. I will start with one ad account that I have created for this video purposes. Do note that when you will create on get started, it will for you have to enter your name, email ID, and you have to then verify your email ID to access the ad account. Since I have already made it, so I will directly log into my ad account. This is a typical TikTok ad dashboard. So on dashboard you will see everything. So today's spend, campaign, ad group and ads, a brief summary of these three. Then trends, how much you have spent, conversions every day, right? Here again you will see a brief synopsis of campaign, gender, placements, operating system, from which operating system your users are accessing the TikTok ad system. Then this day wise and time wise results on how much you are spending in terms of campaign money, right? If you go on campaign, this is where you will create campaigns. So to create a new campaign, you have to click on create, and then this is the business goal that you need to choose. Once you choose the objective, select a campaign name and then budget. See this, either you have no limit or daily limit is saying at least 5,000 rupees. So this does not mean that you have to spend 5,000 rupees per month. It's just saying that the limit that you want to put, the maximum that you will spend. So then click on continue. You can decide an ad group name, then placement type, automatic placement or select placement, on which of these platforms you want to show your ads. It's better in the beginning you start with automatic placements. Then promotion type, do you want more mobile app install or website traffic? You keep these all details. Display name, category, creative type, you can also decide the creative type, right? There is an option of automated creation, or you want to put your own creative. Now in terms of automated creative, remember that TikTok uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to combine a few images and create a video for you, right? But then the challenge with these type of automated creative is it may not be as per your requirement. So it is always better, if you have the capability, it is always better to begin with use a custom creative. Then you can select the target, of course, in the similar way that you can create a new audience, that the way you do on Facebook, or you can choose by demographics, then gender, age, language, interest category, right? Also in this particular case, you can have your own audience, the way we create audiences on Facebook, right? Custom audiences. Here also you have an option to create custom audiences, and then you set the budget, and there you have to set a budget of minimum budget of, you can decide, that is 2000 rupees. It does not take any budget that is less than 2000, right? So it is saying it requires at least 2000 rupees to run the campaign, right? And this is one of the biggest disadvantages of TikTok ads. Then all day, or do you want to run your campaign for a specific time? Then bidding on optimization, delivery type, and then you have to use single video or single image. You can choose any one, and then further you have to upload your image and submit that. Do remember that if you choose single video, then you have an option to add multiple images from your system, and then finally create that into video. This we will just discuss one of the options. There is a video creation kit on TikTok that can convert all your images into a good video for running the campaign. But the point is, again, TikTok uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to create an automated video, but there could be a possibility that again that video will not be up to the mark. And let's move to the next, library. In library you will find event, creative and audience. All the events that you may have that you are trying to track on your website. Then you will have website pixels and all. It's very similar to Facebook pixels. So if you want to track conversion on your website, you will have website pixel or app events. Similarly, you can have all the creatives. And here TikTok again has a video creative creation kit that helps you create a video, right? And all the videos that you will create during the campaign will be stored here. Reporting section of TikTok ads are quite simple. You can access those reports with quite ease. Similarly, those who start the campaign, they will have an insight section as well. It is only for those who are already running a campaign. They can see multiple insights for their video, for the entire campaign that they are doing, right? So the insight section is primarily to tell you about the audience, its location, which audience is performing better, etc. Then you will see here the account details. You can go and check, change all the things related to your payment, account types, business information, payment transaction, brand safety, etc. Right? Then here you will find this user setting. This is the notification section, and there is something called Business Center in TikTok. If you are an agency or if you are a business that has multiple members, then you can click on Business Center, and from there you can choose. In Business Center it's very similar to Facebook Business Manager, where you can manage users, assets, various accounts, settings, and all the changes that has been made in your TikTok ad account. There is a lot more than this in terms of the strategy that comes into picture is audience selection, right? We cover that into our digital marketing course on how do you select and optimize your audience so that you can get the best result from your TikTok ads. Because if you do not have the right audience selection, then there is a possibility that despite spending all the money and doing everything right in the campaign, you may end up getting less or no results at all. We learn this in our digital marketing course on how do you precisely target audience, select an audience so that it can deliver the best result that we have got from some of our clients in our digital marketing agency. Yes, so now you just saw how TikTok campaign works. Now let's look if you should advertise or not, and if you should advertise, and what is the best way to go ahead and engage your readers, engage your audience on TikTok. I still believe that whether you advertise or not, but you should be there on TikTok to take maximum advantage of the campaign of the platform. TikTok has a promising growth. So if you join now, you will get an advantage of early mover advantage. All right. So before the marketplace becomes crowded, your brand will get noticed. It can acquire sizable audience on the platform and boost your business and brand on the platform. The TikTok app has very high engagement. In fact, a lot more than Facebook or Instagram. And therefore, if you will advertise today, especially if you have products such as mobile application, gaming, any product which requires cultural engagement, these kind of products will really do well on TikTok. And therefore, if you have these products, you can get started, and it is worth to invest 60,000 rupees to check whether you are getting something from your campaigns or not. If at all, if you do not want to spend on TikTok paid ads, then you have other options as well. You can join the platform as a brand and grow organically. Of course, in that case, you need to invest your time and talent in creating good videos so that you can engage people on the platform. And the other way that you can do is TikTok also has a creator marketplace. So they have listed the top creators from various categories. You can go and create a brand or an advertiser account, and then can talk to creator talents, especially creators who have a lot of following on TikTok, and you can run a paid campaign, an influencer campaign or a hashtag campaign through TikTok platform and engage your target audience. If you have any topic that you want me to cover in these videos, please write them in the comments and I will try to cover those topics in next few episodes. Thank you very much for watching this video.